So this is a bit disappointing for me. I had this Lenovo Legion 5 laptop for less than a month, and I've actually just started having issues with one of the USB ports. So that's this USB port here. So I was operating normally, and then just in the past few days I found for some USB devices that I connected to it, I would get sort of Windows error message. Now if I plug in my headset, it doesn't actually detect it properly, and I actually get a Windows error saying that it malfunctioned. So Lenovo does have an app called Lenovo Vantage, which can perform a hardware scan, and unfortunately it does report a failure for my PCI Express System. So I'll have to make a warranty claim and send my laptop back for repairs.